Good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Good morning, Applejacks. Good morning, Amelia. No, I was late because I just finished losing a trade, actually. So maybe if I was setting up the stream, I wouldn't have lost a trade because I wouldn't have been able to get any. hmm hmm No, but good morning, you guys. So I did trade my TPT PA, but I lost both trades that I was in this morning, so I'm gonna not trade it for the rest of the day. Right now, I'm gonna have a daily stop of $200 until I'm a little bit more sure about what I'm doing. I was sure this morning, but now I'm not. Which is fine. I'm pretty. Oh no, never mind. But yeah, that's why I'm late. Good morning, ladies. We do have high impact news coming in a minute, like 10 minutes. No, today is just not. No, I don't want to be in that. I'm gonna lose. Oh, Jesus Christ. Please, not today. Not today. Look at that. I'd wanted to get into it initially, and I still wanted to be in until it stopped out like that. But I don't know. Today is being weird. Really, really weird. Not sure if I like it. I've had no breakfast, Boomy. Good morning, New. Good morning, Paul. How are you guys this morning? Something completely breaking down now. Yes. I don't know. I don't know. Zigzag's not attached. Yeah, this morning's just been kind of weird, honestly. Very weird. So my first trade that I got into earlier, what are you doing? This was my first trade earlier. Stopped out to drop. Why is my charts doing this? I feel like my charts are gonna crash. Got stopped out for the market to go down 120 ticks. How fun. Then my other trade that I lost was a buy here. This one would have stopped me out to go. So I'm currently not a fan. 400, think I might be done. I would be. Good morning, Diego. Took one trade and go, went straight to my stop loss and reverse account blown. Look, went straight to my stop loss, dropped 120 something ticks, and I was in a sell. So I feel your pain. Once I'm back in Brazil, I'll buy another account. I feel you. Well, you enjoy your day and be safe, Diego. I'm gonna try to figure out how to navigate these markets today, cause ew. I'm not a fan right now. Whenever my trades take losses today, I'm gonna have to look at my cheat sheet though, because I gotta make sure um that it's not something that I need to change since I'm still kind of early on in things. So it looks like this was the third time this set up and this was the first time it lost. So I can't really, kind of is what it is. Um, yeah, I can't do nothing about that one. Because anything that I have right now is because there's no losses so far, but some stuff already have like 4 examples, some only have like 1, 2. So I'm just gonna, you know what? This is what we're gonna do. I kind of really don't want to put that other Tradeify account on the line, the one that I just carried the balance over for. But at the same time, I don't know, whatever right now. Whatever. I'm going to stop for news in a minute and a half. If that loses, I really just don't know. Stop failed. How? I'm still in the trade. Am I going to have to deal with the same shit? What the hell? Please do not tell me I just lost $300 on that trade. I did. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Hold on. I literally was just talking yesterday about how I have not long. Hold on, you guys. Today is just so awkward. Oh, the other trade's not in there. I was just talking about how I don't ever get caught in volatility spikes. Well, I just did. And for whatever reason, hold on. I jinxed my damn self. Oh, well, wait, what time did I get into that trade? No. Yeah, no, I was still supposed to be in it. I don't stop until 2 minutes before news. But hold on, I'm trying to see. I did lose $300 on that trade. That's ass. This is why I don't like, I promise y'all, I have the worst luck when I carry over balances. I was just up $800 on this account, now it's 500. But yeah, I hate to stop myself on the the TPT account, but I have to, because obviously the market's not being nice today. Good morning, Janelle. Good morning, T Money. How are you guys this morning? Oh, not your insurance is due. All right, wait to see what news does, but today is just not good. I've lost every single trade this morning. So just a recap, got stopped out by, what did I say? I got stopped out by like 2 ticks or something on this trade just for it to drop 120 ticks. Got into this buy right here, which this is the 4th time this is set up in a week, and this is the only time it's lost. So how can you be mad at that? I don't feel like I'm going to change my rules for that one though, because so far that's a 75% win rate, which is kind of my target. Then I tried to get into this buy, which would have stopped me out just to go up. I don't know. How many ticks is this? 62 ticks before a reversal bar. And then this sell right here, which I just got, it stopped out on one account at the correct spot, but then the volume, well, actually, it wasn't the correct spot because I got stopped out right here, which shouldn't have happened. But either way, then the volatility spike just stopped me out for $300 instead. So today is just not, it's ill. But we'll see if we can battle it back. Whatever. The crazy thing is, last night, I swear to you all, I was going to go on my cheat sheet and remove every combination if it didn't have at least 4 examples so far. Because that way, out of at least 4 examples, I kind of know, like, if it's won 3 times, I'm okay with the 4th loss. But if it's 50-50 or less, I won't take it. But I was like, nah, I don't feel like doing all that. I should have. Not Janelle is so mean to you. Ouch. Girl. 2. Oh, that's so annoying. But I followed every rule, and y'all know me. I don't, if I lose a trade and I follow my rules, whatever. There's what's it is. What's up with the zigzag not attaching so much today? Like, this is the 1, 2, the 3rd bar. I don't know what's up with that. Like, what is that? Any more news today? No. Okay. All right, I'm not interested in this buy. News didn't do anything at all. I had to look down at the time like, did I miss something? It's not what I'm looking for. You waited to trade for nothing? Exactly. You got to get back on walking her dinosaur. You are crazy. And didn't do squat. Yeah, I definitely expect for something to happen, but we got a whole big nothing burger. Whole big nothing burger. Mm. Oh. That's sell rotation levels right there, but y'all know right now I don't break even at levels, so. All right, let's see if we can bring these accounts back. I'm not gonna trade that TPT account though. Um, I wouldn't even be down on that one account if I didn't get stopped out for $300. I am gonna try some one bar pullbacks today if it fits my rules. Only if it fits my lows though. Oh my god, another bar, not a towel. I was about to say, please. See that lady who used 20 different aliases as a fake nurse? Hell no, girl, where did you see that? That's insane. I did not see that. That is crazy. It's the reaction, but it's very suspicious. Yeah, that wasn't right. I ain't like that. That's usually why I stop like 2 minutes before news so that, I don't get caught in anything just because the market, just gets really thin. But I got caught anyway. No more news today. Let me see. Pennsylvania nurse, and it's got to be one of us. Jesus Christ. All right, I'm gonna look at this. Goodness gracious. 80. Thought I was gonna get a signal there. All right, let's see. We'll make it. 4 nurses from other states and using around 43 counts, including endangering the welfare. It's like, this is what I don't get about people like this, right? For the time, like, just to be able to think all of this stuff through and carry it all out, for all of that, baby, you could have just put your mind to going to school and doing it the right way. For all of that. I just don't understand why. I just don't be getting it. All right. That is crazy. Oh my God, market. Why? Oh, and I'm still in the trade. Today is going to piss me the fuck off, I tell you that much. And I'm supposed to be in this sell. If it comes back up, then I'll get into it. Maybe I don't. If I lose this trade, if I lose this trade, please. All right, this is what I am gonna do because I'm not gonna keep losing. Like this is why I hate carrying balances over. What's the point? All right, what I'm going to do is stop trading the account that just renewed last night. I'm gonna do that, and we'll just trade the account that renews in a couple weeks because this is gonna actually piss me the fuck off, like in real life. It is. It really is. Because I promise you, every single combination that I'm trading today has either had no losses or is 75% at the moment. So to lose this many trades is fucking annoying. And I was supposed to be in this sale right here, which would have gotten me some of it back. But this is very annoying. Oh yeah, I remember the fake dentist. Yeah. The black guy with the glasses. Or no, he was a fake doctor. I don't think I saw the fake dentist. This is actually going to piss me off in real life. It is. It really is. I would have made some of it back here, but shit, that would have came like a couple ticks from stopping me out as well. This one was like a tick from, no, like 2 ticks from moving my stop loss to break even. Um, yeah, I'm hella annoyed. I am. And why? Whatever. I jinxed myself. I had such a great day on Friday, had a great day yesterday, and today is ass, like complete ass. What does a time-based chart look like? I don't even know. I haven't even looked at the time-based chart at all. It's like I've just been literally wrong all morning. This is why I can't wait until I like have enough data and know my know my edge, because then if I like lose so many trades in a row, like I'm just done for the day. Like the market doesn't like what I'm trying to do, so get the fuck on, you know? but this is going to absolutely piss me off. Absolutely Apple Jacks. Can you imagine, like, And why do people want to do shit like this in the medical field of all things? Like, people's lives are in your hands, weirdos. I'm so fucking annoyed. Stop texting me, leave me alone. I'm not in a good mood. And all shit that doesn't normally work is working. Like, this shit is so weird. Why is that the point of control? What? I don't know. I don't care anymore. I genuinely don't understand this indicator and how it's calculating. Did I change the numbers maybe? No, the text is total trades and so is the background. Whatever. Good morning, I'm the cloth. Stick to your strategy. I am. I haven't taken any trades that isn't with my strategy, trust me. She doesn't want me to do so, she will. Cause I don't want to be bothered right now. I'm so annoyed. Like, I've been so careful with like only choosing the combinations that so far have made the most sense, and they're not working today. So I'm just annoyed. I am. But yeah, don't you worry. I don't go on tilts. If I have a bad day like today, I have literally taken every trade I'm supposed to, and that's all right. And because, well, I was trading my PA earlier, but I take every trade at every session because it should end up averaging out. If it doesn't, then my strategy just sucks today, and it is what it is. Like yesterday, should have, like with one contract, if I would have taken every trade that I was supposed to, I would have had $1,000 day. So it's most important to take every trade in every session because it's all about the law of averages, right? Just looking at the probability. There's a 50% chance of getting 3 consecutive losses with a 75% win rate. Yeah. Yeah, and I also have to remind myself that I only have a week of data right now with up down tick because I just switched last Tuesday and you can't backtest, unfortunately. So yeah, that's the other problem. Why isn't the point of control moved? Oh, it's still in the, oh yeah, they're still in the wick. I don't understand this. How is the point of control down there, but whatever. Hold on, I don't, it's because the numbers on this thing is so off compared to, there's not 13 trades there, there's 26. Oh, because it's not supposed to be on total trades. It's supposed to be on volume. Ah, okay, we fixed it. I thought I changed that yesterday. I've been over here so damn confused. All right, never mind. Never mind. But yeah, I just have a week of data. So I just get annoyed because, like, even with the week of data, I only have rules that, for the most part, there are a couple where I don't have at least 4 trades in that, like, volume delta combo, but for the most part I do. And so it's like all of them have at least a 75% win rate, but some of the trades that I took today just didn't have enough data, which is fine. It's whatever. I said I was going to give myself at least 2 weeks before I feel like it's probably stabilized anyway. I'm just annoyed, that's all. And I have every right to be. No. P6. What a dip. Thank God there's only like 15 minutes left because I want to take my annoying ass on somewhere. I don't want to look at this shit anymore. I'm weak. Oh, look, there's the value area high. That probably really isn't the value area high. I forgot. I need to email those people because something ain't right. Something ain't right with their volume profile. 62. Something is so off with that thing. This is a major resistance level right here at 48.25. But I'm going to take a buy. If it loses, it is what it is. Trying to see if we can use it as support. Pretty heavy volume in delta there. Oh, nice. Look, we finally have a fucking win. Jesus Christ. Ugh. I am not happy with today at all. 135. I'm not happy at all. What's your strategy, market structure? I trade give me a second. I trade pullbacks and divergences, trend and counter trend. I only enter at the close of a reversal bar. And I use volume. You can see the volume. This is the volume up down indicator, so I can see the volume of each individual bar. And then I use order flow. I'm using two different order flow indicators because I don't know which one I like more. When using bid ask, they're the same thing. But when using up down tick, they're a little bit different sometimes. So I'm trying to see which one is more accurate right now. But yeah. So I use a combination of volume and delta of my entry bar compared to the highest volume bar in the swing and the highest delta in the swing to try to see the probability of the market continuing in the direction of my trade after, you know, the bar closes. So like here, this was just a pullback. This is what I call a no interest reversal because it was a lower high to higher low. It's counter trend because the overall market is a downtrend based on the background. And I buy as support or resistance. It does not matter because right now it does not matter according to my data. For most of the combinations, I just started using up down tick again last week, and unfortunately you cannot back test with up down tick because um, the real time data is different than you motherfucker is different than historical data. It's gonna go with what the fuck. That came one tick from my break even. But anyway, yeah, so because I can't use historical data, like I have to take data every day and kind of analyze it and make changes each day that I gather more data out of the market. Because basically when I'm done trading, not only do I journal the trades that I took, but I also like every reversal bar that has a delta that matches the trade direction is some kind of setup. So I kind of like categorize it based off of setup, based off of volume and delta to try to figure out which combinations have high probability of trend continuation. How much time do I have left? I'm over today. 15 minutes. Sounds complicated. It's not. It's really not. But some things are complicated to people and some things are, I don't know, just depends. Order flow is not a very easy thing to trade anyway, but I honestly feel like most people who master order flow can do really heavy damage in the market because you get to see things in real time. But yeah, it just all depends. You just do market structure. Yeah, market structure works for a lot of people and it doesn't work for a lot of people as well. It's all based on how you see the market, how you interpret it, and how you know how to quantify what you see. As long as you know how to quantify what you see and how you see it, you're good to go, really. But yeah, market structure with just Renkos doesn't work that well just because Renkos are so price based. But I have actually been, well, I'm glad I'm not doing it today. But I do highlight like when for instance, my very first trade I took this morning, I sold here, got stopped out by like a tick or two. I mean, no, I think it was two ticks. And the market still dropped 120 ticks. So I do highlight that when I'm journaling because, you know, technically, typically when you enter a trade, you kind of want to put your stop loss behind the last higher low, right? And so like in this case, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out if my stop loss was there. But the problem is if I do that, like I want to trade with at least a 1-to-1. So yeah, I don't know about doing that. But I'll have to see long term though, because like even here, this trade, this buy, I would have never been stopped out if my stop loss was here and then the market went up. So I'm still like working things out. Things take time. Uh, Things take time. See you, Janelle. Have a good rest of your day. Think your box size is bigger than mine? It probably is, though. Yeah, I'm only using a 16 tick chart. And that's just because, like, for a while I was using a 24. But when the market is super, like, has super low volatility, a 24 tick chart, and this is the other thing, I don't trade for long. I'm only here for an hour and 10 minutes. I'm on the charts. So if the Renko size is too high, I would never get into trades because I'm not sitting here all day. I'm just here to scalp. Either scalping is good for the day or it's not, and I'm out, and that's just that. So that's the other thing. I try to base my Renko size off the current VIX price. But yeah, for a minute I was trying to stay on at least a 20 or 24, but the volatility and the volume was so low for a nice little while that, like, I would never ever get into trades. Um and yeah, that was just, it was pointless for me to be here wasting my time. 71. It's too much delta there. So I'm still trying to work things out. I really honestly wish I could find my old notebook from when I used to use Renko's, and I would trade with divergence, and I would have two contracts on, scalper and a runner. My runner would go until the next reversal bar and it would automatically close me out. That's what I wish I could go back to, but I could not find that notebook. That's the way I traded years ago before I got onto YouTube and started my trading journey again. I had to take a break because I was just doing too much at that time. I was working as a nurse. I had a credit repair business. It was just too much. So the one thing that had to go was trading. And yeah, I just didn't have time for it. I was working overnight as a nurse at that. So by the time I would get off in the morning, need to work on client files as my business grew, it was like I couldn't get off work and trade because I really needed to hurry up and start working on my client files because I needed to go to sleep because I had to be back at work the next, that same night. So I stopped trading for a while, and then when I got back into trading, I was like, all right, well, I want to try to figure out how to scalp using Renko's, and mainly just figure out how to master scalping because I want to be in and out of the market in the first hour because I can't sit here all day. Used to do it, can't do it anymore. I'm older and I just can't. Just can't. But yeah. Good morning, Trenches. How are you this morning? You got a tummy ache? What was you drinking? No. What you got going on? You don't have food poisoning or anything, do you? I'm gonna take a sell here. Or not. Or not. Push back up instead. My eye is twitching so bad. This delta's kind of a little too close to what I'm looking for. All right, now what are you gonna do here? Oh, that's how that thing got switched. I have to save that as a new template. Let me save it now because I'm gonna forget. Because as soon as I'm done journaling today, I'm getting the fuck off of my computer. I don't even want to look at any charts. I don't want to look at anything. Good morning, Dre. How are you this morning? Hi, friend. You guys, Andre is somebody that I've known from network marketing since like 2014. No, 2013, I think. 13. Something you ate is starting to get a little better. What did you eat? Did you eat out somewhere? I thought he had to work today. Maybe he does. But yeah, the most annoying thing about today is just how good of a day I had yesterday. And then for the market to be absolute shit today is like, but whatever. The only thing I'm happy about is that I did stop myself on the funded account, because I don't, not that I don't care about evals, but evals is the whole purpose of, like, you use them to try to figure things out the way you want to figure them out. So it is what it is. But yesterday was just such a good day. I think it jinxed me a little bit. It was just too good to be true. Way too good. Popcorn. I'm sorry to laugh, but Applejacks laugh too. Trenches. Was it too much butter on it, or was it something sugary like caramel or something? What you got going on over there? All right, there's too much volume there now. Yeah, I could see if it's butter, I could definitely see that. I haven't had popcorn in so long, and I actually think movie popcorn with butter is the most disgusting thing on earth. I'm more of a like Chicago mix, which is, I think that's Chicago mix, which is caramel and cheese. What in the weak stomach is going on? It's like when you think about all the things that you've consumed in your lifetime, for popcorn to give you a stomach ache is crazy. Insane. I think I'm gonna try to work out today. I think I'm gonna I think I want to journal first, because I literally am so irritated with the market today. I think I want to journal first, and then work out, shower, and take a nap. Or maybe I might nap first. No, I need to work out first. I like to work out fasted, and if I take a nap first, I'm gonna have to eat right when I get up. Yeah, the butter. Were you at the movies, or like Applejack said, was it microwave popcorn? I am weak. Oh, today just sucked so much ass. So much ass. I'm so annoyed. All right, let me show you guys the accounts. I'm out of here. Oh, what all accounts did I take trades on? Oh, what a trashy day. All right, so I took a shit ton of accounts, a shit ton of trades, and lost all of them. Oh wait, no, I won one. I lied. How do you what? Oh, got it. All right, so I took one, two. Shut up. I took 7 trades. 1 broke even on one that was actually supposed to be a loss as what? No. 1 broke even on 3. One of them should have been a loss and then lost 3. Which I guess is not the worst thing in the world. What really screwed me is that negative $300 day, if I'm being completely honest. Let me go to this trade. I mean, this account. Okay, wait. I lied because I forgot I stopped trading that account once. I took 9 trades. Somehow that first trade was a win and it shouldn't have been. Okay, so we won't count that. Okay, so 1 lost 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I lost 5. So 1 lost 5 and broke even on 2. I think that math is correct. I don't know. Either way, we're done here and I'm fucking over it. All right, let me show you guys the account. I did take the first trade on my personal account just so I don't get hit with an inactivity fee. And then the first 2 trades I did take on the TPT account. I still have $1,500 in drawdown left on that account. This is the one that was up $800 and something coming into today. And yeah, so we've already lost almost $500 in drawdown on that account because of how shitty today was. And then this account, I only have $1,100 in drawdown left, but that account renews on like in 2 weeks. So yeah, whatever. Following price and price structure works the best for me. Price will literally cut across VWAP and point of control. Yeah, I have the VWAP on my charts. I have VWAP with 3 standard deviations. I have the current open high low. I have the prior open high low close. I have the overnight high and low, and then I have pivot levels as well. Yeah. I mean, the biggest thing is the market goes up and down all day, and you just have to figure out what you're trying to catch. I mean, I've taken sales today that still lost, even though we're below VWAP and we're below. Now we're above my middle pivot level though, but still, I've taken sales today and they've lost. I've taken buys and they've lost. It's just, yeah. But like I said, cloth, I literally am like a week into doing this with this setting. So I expect to have shitty days. I think I started maybe on Tuesday, had red days. I don't think they were that big of red days. I can't remember. And then Friday I was green. Yesterday I was super green. And then today I'm red. So I'm irritated, yes, but it is what it is. No more over Redenbacher. Oh yeah, no more microwave popcorn. What's wrong with you? But yeah, you guys, I'm out. I'm annoyed. I'm gonna go journal and go work out and go enjoy the rest of my day. But I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, maybe at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.